When we start talking about existence and extinction, one of the first questions that comes to everyone's mind is, where is all this? Or a deeper question, are they real? Seriously, think about it. When defining those concepts, can we ignore the space, the set that contains them? Numbers, things, ideas. We place them all somewhere to make sense of them. We categorize them. So, in which clusters do we put things that exist or do not exist? Reality, imagination, or is there another area where the two intersect? More than that, do these clusters themselves really exist? Are what we put in them real? And most strikingly, do we, who put the concepts, really exist? Let's take a closer look at these questions. Reality is the sum or totality of everything that exists, everything that's not imaginary. This does not change whether the concept is concrete or abstract, because if reality is the name of the set in which all that exists is contained, this set is an axiom. In other words, the existence of a situation is sufficient for the validity of its reality. We do not regard theories, unproven products, or entities as real because they invalidate the existing axiom. Another question that will probably come to mind is this: what determines the truth or validity of axioms? If there is a mirror near you, look at it now, because the measure of reality begins with the image you see in that mirror and what you learn from the balance in nature. Since the beginning of human existence, man has named the cluster he is in as reality. From a general point of view, this cluster is time and space dependent. In fact, today's physical laws can be explained by taking this into account, and that's by not going beyond the axiom of reality. All other events are considered metaphysical. So, if we are sure that our existence exists in this reality, is there a reality above this reality? Is our reality actually a subset? Since this situation exceeds our reality, it will be a subject of the next video. Therefore, you can stay tuned and join the journey. If we analyze the reality we are in more detail, there are states inside and outside our mind in ourselves. Those feelings, judgments are all real and are proof of the existence of consciousness. Evaluate the saying, I think, therefore I am, within yourself. You do not need any greater proof to be sure that you are in reality. Do not forget that we are one of the smallest parts in the set I am talking about, and realize that reality has no meaning without our interpretation of it. And continue on your way to the best version of the cluster you are a part of, or your best version will affect others. By taking the values you believe in with you, even if you don't see them. So reality.